Uh-oh. Looks like it's going to be ATOR.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the District of Columbia, southeastern Montgomery County in central Maryland, central Prince George's County in central Maryland, the city of Fairfax in northern Virginia, Arlington County in northern Virginia, the city of Falls Church in northern Virginia, Fairfax County in northern Virginia, East Central Prince William County in northern Virginia, the city of Alexandria in northern Virginia, until 10:45 p.m. At 10:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Tyson's Corner to near Montclair, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Wind gusts to over 50 miles per hour were reported in Manassas. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Arlington, Alexandria, Dale City, Bethesda, Reston, Annandale, Clinton, Springfield, College Park, Fort Washington, Greenbelt, Fairfax, Langley Park, Beltsville, Fort Hunt, Vienna, Groveton, Forestville, Falls Church, and Huntington. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for District of Columbia, Central and Southern Maryland, and Northern Virginia. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles west of Key Bridge to nearly Sylvania State Park, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and waterspouts possible. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Locations impacted include Whitewater, Lee Sylvania State Park, National Harbor, Quantico, Fort Washington, Tidal Basin, Reagan National Airport, Gunston Hall, Mason Neck State Park, Woodrow Wilson Bridge, Indian Head, Key Bridge, Occoquan Bay, Fort Hunt, Smallwood State Park, and Alexandria. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for District of Columbia, Southern and Central Maryland, Northern Virginia, and the adjacent coastal waters. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.